if you're broke right now and you're looking for a way, like you don't know what to do, and you're wondering what will I do in my life, like what will I do, and you're just thinking, and I'm here for you. So I'm going to be giving you in this video like how I made my first money with the help of no one. Like I made my first money for myself. So stay tuned to the video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that bell. Thank you. We are going to be doing something interesting and educative and good. So if you're a teenager, you're an upcoming teenager, you're becoming an adult and you want to learn how to make money and you don't know how to make money, you don't know where to start from, except from your parents, like you just want to do this thing on your own, like without support, this video is for you. So stay tuned to this video, subscribe. So I'm going to post more videos like this, so when you subscribe you're going to see more, and you hit the bell so it's going to notify you when I drop a new video. Thank you. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make money, like without doing like all these things that are helpful. Like some will tell you play games and win money, do this and do that. Mind you, I've tried all these things, not because I don't have money, I don't want to have money, but I don't want to like make my money by myself. Sorry, my light is off. I don't want to make money by myself and without anyone support. So yeah, so I'm going to teach you in this video how to like do all these things, and you're not going to need support from anyone, just yourself. You're going to make your money and you're going to use your money. And yes, I'm going to say my parents helped me to like for the money to start, because I was like I don't know what to do, so and I'm just at home and like I'm like,
let me do something in my life. Let me do something reasonable with my life.
like let me be useful with myself, because I know I'm useful, but I want to like be more useful for myself. So like I'll not be disturbing anything, like I'll not be disturbing them. Like if I want to get this, if I want to get a new phone or anything, I can be able to afford it by myself. Like, and now that's just it. So to this video I'm going to like give you tips and everything. So let me take you back to the main story. I'm just a regular thing, like just a regular thing. Like I just want to like get, like you just want to have that independence, and I'm not even up to 18, and most of these jobs like they are supposed to be more than 18, but I managed to like maneuver myself to like do this. So if you can do the same, do it, because it's very important and you're going to have that, you know, for yourself, and you're not going to like be disturbing people for anything. So let's start. So the first one that I started was the first job, like the first business I went to do was like
What they call Upwork or something like that,
or digital marketing, all these type of things. I was like, oh, let me start this one, because then I started, I was posting. I could not get anybody, like no work, nothing. And I was like, because I'm a child, like I'm still a child, so it didn't work for me. So I started, I was bored, like I was just bored. So I said, like there's another one that came up, playing games to win money. Like this one is actually works. So but if like I'm going to explain how this one works, if we have the patience and have everything to do with it, then I'm going to explain how this one works. This one is like basically, that is not the game that is going to give you money. This is the secret. It's not the game that's going to give you money. But if you want the link, I'm going to share the link to you. Reply under this video for the link. Like reply, check the comment section for the link. So it's not the games that are going to give you money, it's the referral. Like it's referral. Anybody you invite, they're going to give your own share. That's your money. And people be thinking maybe you're playing games to win money. This game thing is a very But I made a loss of up to like 10k for this game. I did not win anything. I did not get any profit. If I get profits, like it's not as if I'm getting profit to like put back in. I'm not getting profits to put back in. Like I'm literally just
Stop it. Get some help.
the money is just going. I was like, and mind you, the person that introduced me to this was like low-key like a teenager like me. And I was thinking like maybe this is what this person needs to make money. No, it's the referral that this person needs to make money. And I'm just a gamer. So yeah, that didn't work. But it can work for you if you are ready or you have the people to refer to, because I cannot do that. I cannot refer people that is fake and I'll be eating the money and they'll be like, no, I never shared the link to anybody. Mind you, I never did that. So thank you. So the third way of making money is advertisement, PRO, all these things, like, and all these apps. Example, legit apps. Temu is a very good way of making money. Like if you're an influencer or upcoming influencer, Temu is a very good way of making money. Just get your phone and everything, link your account to Temu. They're going to be, but I don't know if they have a minimum follower account. I don't know, but if you're an upcoming person, just link your Temu this thing together, like link it together, and then you're going to start getting money. But I don't need stress. Like I said, I don't need stress for that. And the money that's in my Temu account is like 20 something thousand, but they have not given me the limit to withdraw yet, so I'm just there. And brands and ads like that one, you're not going to solve yourself. That is the people, they are the ones that are going to come to you. That's if you're already becoming something. Like if they like your content, then they're going to come to you by themselves. And yeah, I've worked with many, not many, too many, but I've worked with some brands, and like I say that, yeah, it's a good way of making money too. And yeah, so the fourth way of making money is Amazon. This one, you're going to pay money to learn, because the money
You're going to be earning. The money you're going to be earning, it's just good money.
what you're going to have is like your bank account. You're not giving your bank account to anybody. This is Amazon, verified Amazon. I'm going to give you the link. I'm going to share you the files and everything. You're going to just pay a sum of. Just message me. I don't know, but I'm just going to check the price because I paid to get this file. So if I want to sell it to you, I'm going to pay but a lower rate. But you're going to be making like $50 to $100 to $200 like from this Amazon, depending on how you are creative, your creativity or anything. If you can write books, if you can do novels, all these type of things, you're going to get a lot of money from it. I'm not joking. You're going to put your book there free. You're not paying anything to start. The only money you're going to pay is for the file that I'm going to send to you. So if you want the file, just comment, I want the file. If you want the other one, the game, you say, I want the game. Just say it in the comment section and I'm going to put it there. I'm going to reply to your comments. I don't take time. So that is the fourth one of learning how to make money. You guys see, I'm not taking time like most of you people, YouTube people. So help. If you want to see more of this, click on the subscribe button. I don't take time in my videos, that is why it's very nice. So the last one of how to make money is like starting an online business. Yeah, you're going to say online business, like how? I was like trying to look for the best online business because the one I went to do, like, it was crowded. Everyone has a clothing brand or something like that. I was like, how will I start? So my budget, like, to start everything was like 300k for everything, like everything, the stock, everything. And I was importing this. This is the mistake I made. I did not like do this or customize it from Nigeria or anything. I was importing this from not from Nigeria. It's from China. I was importing it from China. It's like a China brand, something like that. I was importing it from there. And you guys, the stock they're so expensive. And if I'm selling it, like, you're going to pay like, no, but I still have audience that are buying this. People are saying that it's quality and they like it and stuff like that. And I'm still making orders, although I'm not posting. I have like up to 400 followers now and on my business page. And most business owners like they are following me, some are commenting my videos, they're engaging because they like my business and how I construct my business and everything, and I'm making a lot of sales. And this is what I made with, like, in 1 week I made 100k the first time I launched, because my friends, some of them bought their own and everything. So I made like 100k for the first time I launched, and I'm still making money till now. And I'm even tired to buy more stocks, because if I wait for stocks, people are going to be on my head. Where is my this thing coming? Where is my this thing coming? Like, it's going to come, like, it's going to take like 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So it's a lot. So I'm going to do a part 2 of this YouTube video. So if you want a part 2, just say yes in the comment section. Yeah, I'm going to make use of my comment section. So if you want a part 2 of this video, say yes. I'm going to put more videos of how to make money. And yes, I'm not lying to any of you. This is real, this is legit, this is very, very constructive. And as a teenager, as a Gen Z person, you have to, like, look for a way to make money by yourself, like, by yourself. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends that you want, and try this also. It's very important, and you're not going to regret it. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.